Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve the Windows 10 or Windows 11 error that you fail to obtain IP address from the DHCP server. So DHCP stands for the Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol, and when you are attempting to connect to the internet, you may be having issue with your IP address not being able to properly communicate it to the network. So let's jump straight into it, guys. Go to search menu and type services. Click on open it, guys. You just need to search for DHCP client. Double click on it, and now startup type, set this to automatic, and service status, if it is stopped, you just need to start it and select apply and OK for save changes. Hopefully that can able to resolve the problem, guys. After doing this, in case if you're still having a problem, then right click on the start icon, select settings. You just need to scroll down, select a troubleshoot, click on other troubleshooters, and select the network and internet troubleshoot to run. To try to fix the problem, try the recommendations in the order below. Try different website. Follow this on-screen instructions. Hopefully this can able to resolve the problem, guys. In case if it is doesn't help you, then you just need to click on this network and internet and select advanced network settings and scroll down. Click on network reset, and this will remove, then reinstall all your network adapters and set other networking components back to their original settings. You might need to reinstall other networking software afterwards, such as VPN client software or virtual switches. Select the reset now and reset it, guys. Click on S, and Windows will shut down in 5 minutes. You are about to be signed out. Click on close. You just need to go ahead and manually restart your PC. After restarting your PC, your problem will be solved, guys. I hope this video helped you, guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, guys. You can also subscribe me and support me, guys. Thank you.